Hi, we are in Zamboanga. Surfing board. We are at Hannah's Beach Camp. Ang may-ari daw ay Philippine Navy. Fun beach drink. Fun beach drink. Chill, sun, sea, eat waves. Wow, nice. Hannah's Beach Camp. Aloha. Nice. When you don't know what to do, pray. Live more, worry less. Oh, this is for Team Faith. Dream big, hard work, or work hard, make it happen. May mga hammock sila, umbrella, may mga boat. Ito yung nakuha namin cottage, may second floor.
Bumili ka ng grocery. Mas malo, Mari. Mas malo yung nilakakas mo.
We're going upstairs.
Dito, akan say ako na yung mga deprekada ay ang sila ng birthday.
This is the room. Wow, nice. Hi. Ojaha Cottage. Hi guys. Welcome to my guys. Oh Hannah, this is the second cottage. And then Kahuna Cottage. May second floor. And it's time to chill. No bad vibes. Someone is staying there, I think. Hannah Beach Camp. Wiki with that. Someone staying with hammock. Nice. Beach therapy. Oh, nice. And Holo Holo Cottage. Oh, pwedeng mag-rent ng life vest. Free entrance. May kubo 1,000, cottage 500, table and chairs 350. Wow, nice. So, may rental silang paddleboard 200 per hour. I think I'm going to rent that. Salbabida 50, life vest 50, snorkel 200, towels 50. Nice. I will rent that paddleboard and surfing board. Office nila, dirty kitchen, common na lababo, sink that you can cook. Salbabida 50 pesos to rent. Nice. Guava tree, surfing board, more tables for 350. Relax. Life is good. Oh yeah. Thank you, Lord, sa creation mo. Yan. Offline is the new luxury. Offline tayo, Bash. Offline tayo.
Natulog mo si ate, oh. Video yan. Video? Video yan. Hi. Tulog na. Madam mo lang na ito kayo. Pag-pay din rin, oh. Pag-isan ko lang. Hindi lang kami lang bahala. Diri ko na itao, kami lang entertain.
Ano, kuya? Nag-ihaw ka?
Oo, nag-ihaw ko.
Wow, yummy. Hi, princess. Yum, fresh.
Maganda yan si